So, this video was supposed to be completely different. This was supposed to be the video where I combined everything from my previous videos so that it made one cohesive and cinematic display of how to record. I had footage from my Disney cruise, footage from a conference that I actually worked, and a product that I actually wanted to review. The problem is, somewhere in between the idea and hitting record, I just stopped. So here's the deal. I had a review that was going to look absolutely cinematic, something basically professional, I envisioned the light setups, the transitions, the colors, but then eventually there was a little voice in my head that said, do I even have enough to talk about? And next thing you know, I'm convincing myself that this video isn't worth making. It's honestly wild to see how fast you can talk yourself out of something that you were genuinely excited to do. And that's the part that no one talks about, the tug and pull in your head. You get this idea that's huge, massive, and then you instantly start tearing it apart. You go through your head like, is this even good enough? Am I good enough to make this video? And before you know it, the idea's gone. Honestly, despite what the thumbnail and title of this video says, the video did not fail if I never started. And to be honest, I think that's just part of being creative. You put so much pressure on an idea to just think, this could be the one. When in reality, it really shouldn't be like that. You should be putting pressure on things that you actually like to enjoy making. But it's definitely easier said than done. You go online and you watch all these creators post videos with polished content, and you just think in your head, maybe it's the gear. Maybe I need to do something crazy to stand out. When in reality, you should continue to make what you enjoy. For me, I love creating, like generally enjoy just creating. Setting up my lights so that it can be cinematic, sitting down, editing, finding the right type of music. It's generally just fun to me. I've been jumping between styles lately. Some days I'm deeply invested into product videography, while other days I might be doing more of a influencer travel type content. Each comes with its own challenges. Product videography is a bit challenging to me due to the fact that you're always looking for new, fresh ideas. You're looking for new angles, new colors, new products. And with currently how I'm working, I feel like I can't provide that new experience each time. While the influencer and travel style is hard, because when you're in the moment, you can't enjoy it without actually thinking, hold up, do I really need to record this? And unfortunately, that's the part that kind of trips me up sometimes. Fighting between living in a moment and capturing it for you guys. And so that's what I learned. The video didn't fail because it was bad. It failed because I never gave it a chance. And that's worse. Because every time you finish a video, even if it's not perfect, you get better. You learn something and you level up a little bit more. So, yeah, maybe this video failed, but maybe I needed it to fail to remind you guys and myself that you should be working on what's fun. And if you ever had an idea that you didn't make because you didn't think that it would hit, you're not alone. Go ahead and make it anyway, post it anyway, because the more you make, the better you get. And remember, learn, create, and share. I'll catch you on the next one.